How products are made. Fabrication processes. Keywords in this section are fabrication, casting, moulding, forging and extrusion. In the world of manufacturing, many products are made using different fabrication processes. One common method is casting, where a liquid material like metal or plastic is poured into a mould and allowed to harden. After it cools, the solid part is removed from the mould. Another method of moulding, where the material is pressed or shaped into a specific form. Plastic bottles, for example, are often made using a process called injection moulding. When we want to shape metal, we might use forging, which involves heating the metal and then hammering or pressing it into shape. For more complex shapes, extrusion can be used. This process forces material through a die to create long objects, like metal pipes or plastic tubing. These processes are essential in creating the everyday products that we use.